29 to December 29 at the Taxi Bar Center. Oh, 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 what a sight. Oh, 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 can't you see? I go looking around. Can't you see? My camera lens doesn't reflect what you can see. My camera lens is only a microscopic sliver of a view. Oh, 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 what a sight. Oh, 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 can't you see? I go looking around. Can't you see? Show me. Take me, take me, take me. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Go, 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 go. Oh, 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 what a sight. Oh, 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 can't you see? I go looking around. Can't you see? Show me. Take me, take me, take me. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Go, 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 go. Oh, 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 what a sight. Oh, 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 can't you see? I go looking around. Can't you see?
Okay, so that, my friends, is a little sample of the Macau Visual Arts Annual Exhibition, the Western Media category. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And so yeah, I filmed it in the last Friday of November. The exhibition goes through December 29, 2024. And I didn't want to, this was a little bit of a challenge for me to film because I usually film streets. So I didn't want to focus on all the individual artwork because you should go there yourself and support it, for one. And then number two is I just want to capture the image of it, and each person attracts themselves to certain things. So I don't want to disregard anybody's artwork and not, so I just did a whole visual element of it to get the atmosphere. So nonetheless, I also created the lyrics to this. So I wrote the lyrics and then I'm gonna put it right up here. You've probably already been reading it. So I created that, I created the lyrics myself, and then I put it into an AI program and I created the genre, and then that's what it produced. So the music is actually AI produced with lyrics that I fed it. So that's that too, and those are up there as well. And we're just gonna end the video right here. So that's gonna be the end of it. Usually I do narrate when I do the streets, but this particular one, I wanna leave it just as it is. Okay, but check out other stuff that I have on the channel for sure. This is a little taste of the exhibition, and we're gonna close it right there in Macau.
My camera lens doesn't reflect what you can see. My camera